Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see one more product unboxing, and that one is a Rode wireless microphone. I'm purchasing this one specially for the creative the video and you receive the good quality voice. Currently, I'm using Hollyland mic. I just purchased one of the interesting microphone, and that microphone comes in Rode brand. We will do unboxing and afterwards which types of voice you are receiving after connecting this microphone. I'm purchasing this microphone. Official website power.dk is electronic store based on Copenhagen, Denmark and Scandinavian country. They are selling two types of color. One is white and black. This one I purchased in white color. So which color you are like, accordingly you should purchase your nearest electronic store. Now we will do unboxing. Let's check it out. Now we'll do unboxing. Packing is really premium quality. Let's just simply cut. Scan QR code. Application available for iPhone and iPad. I purchasing this one white color and C types of device. Lightning cable is also available. Which mobile you have, accordingly you should purchase this one. It's very easy to open such kind of device we are receiving, and boom, here is our product. Lightning C type cable. You can charge using this one. This is the two filters we receive. Here is the two magic booklet, and that's it. Box is empty. If you watch my video, no need to use the magic booklet. And here is our product. So look at this, it's really premium quality, and boom, here is our product. The battery, the orange color is showing here. You just simply open this one, and afterwards you just simply remove and connect here. So here the light is showing. Look at this here, the light is showing. It means this is working. I just simply remove this one, do like this, connect. One of the interesting facts, you can charge. This is the charging case as well. Here you should connect C type charging. The charging is a start. The red comes in white or green. It means charging is a full, and once it's a full, you can use this one around. This one is a 21 hours, and this charging case also help you to support up to 21 hours. It means around 42 hours you can charge once and use. That one is really impressive. And this one, no need to charge. This device is automatically charged connecting here. So here the port is here. You just simply put it here and charging is a start. Both is working. This is the unboxing. Now we can check which types of voice we are receiving after connecting this Rode wireless microphone in my iPhone. This here, I just simply remove this one and plugging on my iPhone, and one mic connected on my collar mic. So afterward we can see which types of voice you are receiving. Testing, mic testing, mic testing. Now you receiving the voice coming from Rode wireless microphone. So really like it or not. Upcoming days I will make a review video as well. Rode wireless microphone. This product I am purchasing here 1099 Danish krona, and this one is Hollyland. I am purchasing just only 600 Danish krona coming from Amazon. So which types of voice you are receiving, you should use this filter as well. If you go outside as a noisy environment, this microphone inbuilt active noise cancellation is also available. I just simply remove this one and just fix this microphone, this filter, and simply connect here. Strong magnet is here, and like this. Now, welcome to Research Rocks. So, such kind of voice you are receiving after using this Rode wireless microphone. As my personal recommendation, if you are a content creator or you make an interview podcast, so this microphone is really impressive. You can record the voice at a time, two-person, channel 1 and channel 2, and save the voice. So this is the simple unboxing and review and sound quality review as well. If you have any question related on this product, you can ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.